Lesson: Developing an AI audit plan. Developing an AI audit plan is an essential step for organizations aiming to ensure compliance, maintain ethical standards, and manage risks associated with artificial intelligence systems. An AI audit plan serves as a strategic blueprint, guiding auditors through the evaluation of AI systems to ensure they adhere to legal, ethical, and operational standards. This lesson focuses on actionable insights, practical tools, frameworks, and step-by-step applications that professionals can implement to effectively develop and execute AI audit plans. The first step in developing an AI audit plan involves understanding the specific goals and objectives of the audit. This requires a clear articulation of what the organization aims to achieve through the audit, such as compliance with regulations, risk mitigation, or performance evaluation. It is crucial to align these objectives with the organization's overall strategic goals. For instance, if the objective is to ensure compliance with the General Data Protection Regulation, the audit plan should focus on data handling practices, consent management, and privacy impact assessments. Once the objectives are defined, the next step is to identify the scope of the audit. This includes determining which AI systems, processes, or components will be evaluated. A comprehensive understanding of the AI systems in use is essential, including their purpose, functionality, and the data they process. Tools like AI system inventories can be used to map out the AI landscape within an organization, providing a clear picture of which systems need to be audited. Risk assessment is a critical component of the audit plan. Auditors must identify potential risks associated with the AI systems, such as biases, lack of transparency, or security vulnerabilities. Conducting a risk assessment helps prioritize areas that require urgent attention and resources. Frameworks, such as the AI Risk Management Framework developed by the National Institute of Standards and Technology, offer structured approaches to identifying and managing AI risks. Once risks are identified, auditors develop specific audit criteria and procedures. These criteria should be based on relevant laws, regulations, industry standards, and organizational policies. For example, if the audit aims to assess fairness, criteria might include the evaluation of training data for bias, the performance of AI models across different demographic groups, and the impact of AI decisions on various stakeholders. The procedures should detail how the audit will be conducted, including data collection methods, tools, and techniques to be used. Practical tools and frameworks are invaluable in executing the audit procedures. For instance, tools like fairness indicators can be used to assess and visualize the fairness of AI models, providing insights into potential biases and their impacts. Similarly, explainability tools such as LIME help auditors understand how AI models make decisions, enhancing transparency and accountability. Data collection and analysis are fundamental aspects of AI audits. Auditors must ensure that data used in AI systems is accurate, relevant, and representative. Techniques such as data sampling, inspection, and validation are employed to assess the quality and integrity of data. Advanced analytics tools, including machine learning platforms, can assist auditors in analyzing large datasets and identifying anomalies or patterns that require further investigation. Throughout the audit process, documentation is crucial. Auditors should maintain detailed records of their findings, methodologies, and decisions. This documentation serves as evidence of compliance and can be invaluable in addressing any disputes or regulatory inquiries. It also facilitates continuous improvement by providing a basis for future audits and adjustments to AI systems or processes. Engaging stakeholders is another important aspect of the audit plan. Auditors should involve key stakeholders, including AI developers, data scientists, legal teams, and end users, to ensure a comprehensive understanding of the AI systems and their context. Stakeholder engagement helps identify potential issues early, fosters collaboration, and ensures that audit recommendations are practical and actionable. The final step in the audit plan is to report and communicate the audit findings. This involves preparing a clear and concise audit report that outlines the objectives, scope, methodology, findings, and recommendations. The report should highlight any non-compliance issues, risks, or areas for improvement, along with actionable recommendations for addressing them. Effective communication of audit results is essential for driving change and ensuring that stakeholders understand the implications of the findings and the steps needed to achieve compliance and ethical standards. Case studies provide valuable insights into the practical application of AI audit plans. For example, a case study of an AI audit conducted by a financial institution revealed significant biases in a credit scoring model, which disproportionately affected minority groups. By using fairness assessment tools and engaging stakeholders, the auditors were able to identify the sources of bias and recommend changes to the model and its training data, leading to more equitable outcomes. Another example involves a healthcare organization that conducted an AI audit to ensure compliance with patient privacy regulations. The audit revealed gaps in data anonymization practices, posing risks to patient confidentiality. By adopting privacy-enhancing technologies and updating data handling procedures, the organization was able to address these issues and enhance its compliance posture. Statistics underscore the importance of AI audits. According to a survey by the World Economic Forum, 63% of organizations using AI systems reported data privacy concerns, while 47% reported issues related to bias and discrimination. These statistics highlight the critical need for robust AI audit plans to address these challenges and build trust in AI systems. In conclusion, developing an AI audit plan is a complex yet essential task for organizations leveraging AI technologies. By setting clear objectives, defining the scope, assessing risks, and using practical tools and frameworks, auditors can effectively evaluate AI systems for compliance, ethical standards, and performance. Engaging stakeholders, documenting findings, and communicating results are crucial steps in ensuring that audit recommendations lead to meaningful improvements. As AI continues to evolve, the importance of robust audit plans will only grow, helping organizations navigate the complexities of AI compliance and ethics.